Alexa, turn on first light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off first light.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on, crew? When Echo Dot came on sale from Alexa for like $29.99, I was like, say less. This price point is crazy for what it is offering your home. If you want your home to be smart, well, wait, let me see. I'm not saying you're not smart. I'm just saying if you want to add smart technology to your home, why not use a product which is going to add some convenience to your home? So I don't know anything about this product yet, so we're gonna open it up, try it out, test it. Now this is the version that does come with a smart plug, the S. Well, actually no, this comes with the smart bulb, and I thought it'd be cool to include this in the unboxing because this company from Tekken sent this out. So Tekken sent out their smart plug. It goes hand in hand with the Echo Dot ecosystem. They include this Amazon Echo device required, which we do have. Soft white bulb, which is going to be pretty cool. Voice activation. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Echo Dot in a little bit more detail. I'm going to go ahead and cut it open right here. It does say Alexa is happy to help. Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. And it says it'll do so right there on the back. So right here you can see it says right here number 1 and number 2. I'm not sure what that's trying to indicate, but it's not rocket science. But let me see. So here is the Echo Dot. We have the black one. It's a decent weight to it. It's got this plastic around it. Let me take this off. Hello, Echo Dot, and important information that you need to know. So there's some important information that they want you to know inside of there. They also do have contents here, information here as well. Stuff that you wouldn't be able to figure out if you didn't use it for the very first time like myself. That's why I'm gonna pause the video right after I set this up, play around with it for about 10, maybe even an hour or two, and let you guys know. But we do have a 15-watt charger right here. The Echo Dot has a mesh top. You do have a button down here and a button up here, a plus and a minus button, and then on the bottom it's like a matte black all around. There you would put a USB, it looks like right here, and then the power cord as well. The bottom is all flat and has a nice shape design as well to it. Let's see if we can like get some juice on here. Okay, so that's not the power on button. Let's try this one. Okay, yeah, we definitely got to charge it up, but I'm going to set this up, play around with it. By the time I get back to the video, I'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, I just plugged it up to the charging brick, and it's got this really cool light to it right here. So that looks really cool. I just want to show you that real quick.
Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
All right, so it's telling me that we have to download the Amazon Alexa app. So let me go ahead, set that up. Let me see. Play Store. Let's go to Amazon Alexa. Here it is. Comes up right away. Smart plugs. So there we go. All right, so we get 2 smart plugs here from Tekken, and basically these are going to be pretty cool for voice activation on different devices as well. Let me see. You would need to download this app, the Tekken app right here on the side. and it could walk you through everything, but that's pretty much that comes with it. It says it does give you Wi-Fi connection, app control. You could set timers, and it does also have voice control. So shout out to Tekken for sending this out. Hey guys, I put my info in there and it says, are you who you say you are? So yes, that's me. You log in with your Amazon account. It says give it permissions to dial and everything of that nature. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. It gives me access. I have Spotify and I use Pandora. So Alexa, play Spotify. Let me see. It says right here, choose default music service. So visit music settings, and then you can change it from Amazon Music to Spotify right here. Yeah, definitely gonna do that right away. And everything, it says your setup is now complete.
Hello, I'm Alexa. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Bronx, it's 42 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Here's something different to try. To make
Alexa, play music on Spotify.
Here's Spotify.
Then go all the way down where it says, in here you're gonna go to calendar and email. And then here you can add your email from Microsoft, Google, Microsoft Exchange, Apple, everything of that nature. But this thing is gonna be able to sound really good. You could keep it in your bedroom, in the living room, the kids' room, office. I just think it has a lot of cool features. I'm gonna set up this light as well, which it came with, which will give you light schedules, group control, mesh network, energy saving, voice control. Okay guys, so another thing that's really cool about the Alexa is that it comes with that bulb that I showed you. Now, all you have to do is plug in the bulb and say, Alexa, find my device.
Okay.
Turn off first light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on first light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off first light.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to get more of those. That is absolutely clutch. Alright guys, but that is about it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every last one of you. This is the Amazon Dot. $29.99 on sale right now. You can't go wrong. Hey Alexa, remind me to go to the gym before 10 p.m.
When should I remind you?
At 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you at 6 p.m. Do you want me to remind you regularly about this?
Yes.
How often? You can say things like every day, every week, or first of every month.
Every day.
Okay, I'll remind you every day at 6 p.m. By the way, when your reminder rings, you can snooze it by saying, remind me again in 15 minutes.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace. Get right back with you.